Tema današnjega srečanja drugega v vrsti indijskih sektorskih omizij na GZS je sodelovanje z indijskimi malimi in srednjimi podjetji, kar bo današnji sogovorniki prihaja z Indijske asociacije za mala in srednja podjetja tudi predstavil iz prve roke. Mogoče še to, podjetja lahko izkoristijo njegov kontakt v sklopu njegovega izobraževanja na ICP-ju, kjer ostaja nadaljnjih 6 mesecev v Sloveniji.
We are having lot of schemes in India which can be implemented in Slovenia also. So that is what I am going to explain here also, that what are the schemes and what are the benefits they will be getting in Slovenia. And apart from that, we are expertise in setting up of incubators, so that the people here can get on the job training, on the missionary training also, and after 15 days they can start their own business. So these are some of the things I am going to explain here also.